Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, this is my Ivory Clasp box. This is my first shipment. It is a purse subscription. It's $45 a month. I probably won't continue it for too long. I subscribe to the bi-monthly, so I get a purse every other month. It's kind of out of my budget, but I thought I'd give it a try and see what I get because I love purses. For that 45 bucks, you're supposed to get a purse that's worth at least $100. And this is my first box. I'm opening it now.
What the?
So exciting. There's my little note from everybody at Ivory Clasp. A hand-signed note. Here's your new bag from Ivory Clasp. We hope you love it as much as we do. Thanks for joining Ivory Clasp. Team Ivory Clasp. Also got... Oh, this is a little thing about the brand of the purse that they sent me. There it goes. Oh my god, they sent me a fuzzy keychain. I love it. It's pink.
Like your old one, but your old one was lighter.
Oh my goodness. I can already tell that it's a structured bag, and I did say that I was looking for a structured bag with multiple pockets. So they certainly listened to that. Bam! Look at that. With 212 is the brand. Ooh, it's got different textures. Let's see if it has a long strap. I specifically said I like a purse with a long strap. And ding! Let's see here. Let's see what it retails for. Oh, it normally says. Hold on. Where's the bag? Oh, manufacturer retail is 138 bucks. Boom, so not bad for $45. It's got, okay, it's a structured bag and it has the long handle, but it does not have the multiple pockets like I asked, that I said I was looking for. But it definitely is big enough. I said I like big purses. So I can definitely fit my stuff in there. And it's got a couple pockets. One open pocket. Kennedy, my 7-year-old, is taking this video. And then one little zip pocket. Oh, nope, it doesn't zip. They're both just open pockets. So it's not the organized bag I was hoping for, but structured, black, long handle, and a bonus fuzzy. All in all, I'm happy with it. Thanks, Ivory Clasp.